Good morning, students. Today we will study for class 11 chapter 1 physical world. So what do you mean by first of all in our mind when we start studying about physics? First thing which comes in our mind is what do you mean by physics? Okay, physics is nothing which comes from nature, or whatever is happening in the nature is actually physics. Means why we can see light, why volcano eruption is there, why tsunami is coming, why the waves are forming, or why the apple is falling on the ground, why it is not going up. All the things which we studies is physics. So if you will ask ma'am what is the perfect definition for physics or what is the standardized definition for physics, so what is physics is a fundamental science concerned with understanding the natural phenomena that occur in our universe. So all the natural phenomena which are occurring in the universe is actually the study about those phenomena is known as physics. The second thing which comes in our mind is it has many branches. So what are the branches which we will gonna study in this year or in this session or in the next class? It is physical world. First of all, before going to the next topic, let me tell you what we will gonna get from this chapter is this chapter actually if I will ask, this chapter never comes in a competitive exam or any kind of thing. But why this chapter then important if it is not coming in any competitive exam or like this? This chapter is important because this chapter actually gives us the nutshell of whatever which we will gonna from today onwards, or if we have chosen the science streams, so whatever we will study in our science or in physics, basically this chapter gives a nutshell. Okay, so that is why this chapter is important for studying. Okay, now let us come back to our topic. How many branches are there in the physics? Means physics is divided. Of course, we will not gonna study whole physics in this 11th or 12th. The many branches are there which are segregated according to their importance. So it has many branches: mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, quantum physics. This quantum physics might be a new word for you. Mechanics is whatever is happening, we will study the phenomena or the reason behind it. In electromagnetism, there are two types of fields or two types of effects we have studied. Of course, electricity and magnetism till class 11. So electromagnetism is separate, a whole branch in physics. Thermodynamics, thermo means temperature or heat. The dynamics means movement. So means thermodynamics in this field or in this chapter we will study about the movement or the things which are related to the heat and temperature and their movement. Now the word comes quantum physics. Quantum physics means what is? It is actually a modern physics, or we can say the study of physics in a microscopic level. In classical physics, we have studied the macroscopic things which we can see, or whatever the natural phenomena which are happening, which we can see from our naked eyes. In quantum physics, that type of phenomena will occur, or that type of phenomena or study about those phenomena which we cannot see through our naked eyes. We will study those topics or those concepts in quantum physics. It is actually the modern physics. Now between 600 and 1900, broad area developed known as classical physics. So mainly we have divided the scope of physics, or mainly we have divided the physics in two parts. Okay, the first part is known as macroscopic, or the another name given for this physics is classical physics, and the another part which we have divided the physics is microscopic level, or we can say the quantum physics, which we have just now discussed. Classical physics or macroscopic physics means what? The phenomena which we can see from our naked eyes, or the concepts related to those phenomena, or we can search about, or we can read about the reason why these things are happening are segregated as classical physics. The main advance or development of classical physics happened in between the 600 to 1900. Now, why I have written 11th, 12th here? Actually, I have segregated the topics according to your books given by NCERT. We will gonna study the mainly about mechanics and thermodynamics in the 11th part, which is also a segregated parts of classical physics. But the two or main topics, very main important topics, are electromagnetism and optics of classical branch. We will gonna study in class 12th. Okay, now comes that microscopic or quantum physics. This topic also we will gonna study in class 12th. Okay, now let us come to a segregation. First, if we will focus about mechanics, so what are the main topics or what are the things? I have instead of this I can also write the name of the chapter which will come in mechanics. But instead of writing that as it is given in NCERT, why to write the same thing? So I have chosen कि let me write the topics, main topics which you will gonna study in the mechanics, or if so at least you will get some knowledge that which zone we will gonna study in mechanics. So first of all, let me start the mechanics as car motion. Why the car moves, how the car accelerates, why the car turns, or what are the forces which are acting while the car is turning. So basically we will study about the car motion. Second, how the friction plays the role in the car motion. Okay, why the friction is important or friction is necessary. If you have studied this line, you might have heard that friction is a necessary evil. So what do you mean by the friction is a necessary evil? Is friction is always important, or friction is always giving us repelling us of doing our work, or something, or somewhere friction is important also. Then next topic comes out as rocket propulsion, bending of a rod. Bending of a rod means what? Ki suppose this is a plastic, this is not bending, but if I will take a steel scale, or if I will take a rod, it will bend. So what is the physics behind the bending of a rod? Rotation of a wheel, how the wheel rotates and what are the factors which are affecting the rotation of a wheel. Sound wave and its propagation. There is a concrete different this one chapter related to the sound wave and its propagation. We might have studied the sound wave and its propagation in class 9. So this is just an advanced version. Now the flotation, how the things floats, the fluid mechanics or the motion of the planets. All these things will gonna come in your class 11th, and it comes in the branch of mechanics. Now comes the main important branch, that is the chapters are related in physics also, thermodynamic, and the same chapter has been given in the chemistry with the same name, thermodynamics. So in the physics part we will gonna study about the laws, okay, and how the laws are related to the heat, how the laws are related to the temperature, how the heat and the temperature, the flow of the heat is depends on each other. What is heat engine, what is refrigerator, what is spontaneous. So if I will ask you what do you mean by spontaneous reaction or what do you mean by spontaneous process, you have to comment in the box. Okay, now next topic or next branch which you will gonna study in class 12, the main important branches are electromagnetism and optics. Electromagnetism consists charge, negative, positive, their fields, current, AC, DC. You might have studied about AC, DC in class 11th. So this is just an advanced version, the laws which are related to AC, DC, magnetism, electromagnetic wave, optics. Optics consists light, wave, particle, mirrors, lenses, the formula which are related to them, telescopes, the new thing which is has been included in your class 12th, which you have not studied in class 10th, rainbow formation, and the things which are related to the rainbow. And now the next branch comes to as microscopic quantum physics. Quantum physics is actually known as modern physics. Modern physics includes atom nature, atomic behavior, electron nature, X-rays, semiconductors, nucleons. You have small idea about, yes, I have heard about these things. So in class 12th in modern physics, or we can say quantum physics, you will gonna study in detail.